Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what it's really like being a landlord here in Charleston, South Carolina? I'm talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Whether you're thinking about investing in a rental property, already own one, or just want to know what it's like, I'm here to dive into the real tips and tricks. Before we get started though, please go ahead and subscribe to this video so that way you can see all the content that I'm making. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Why Charleston? First of all, Charleston is one of the hottest rental markets in the Southeast. You've got the historic charm, the booming job market, beaches just minutes away, and steady flows of college students, military personnel, and remote workers. All of this to mean there's high demand and rising rents, but that doesn't mean it's easy money. Charleston has its quirks, and you need to know starting with regulations. You've got to know your laws. Charleston has short-term rental restrictions, zoning rules, and some pretty specific housing codes that you want to make sure you're brushed up on. Here's some things you want to keep in mind. Making sure that your rental is authorized in your location. Making sure that you're compliant with safety and security, and making sure you're including regular inspections for your property to include HVAC and plumbing. Check with both the City of Charleston and Charleston County, as rules may differ depending on where your property sits. The tenant game. Charleston tenants are smart. Many are professionals, students, or families who know their rights. That means you, as the landlord, need to be sharp as well. You need to make sure that screening is everything. Always checking your credit, criminal background, income verification, rental history, and eviction history. Trust me, a quick phone call to a previous landlord can save you months of headache. Next item are some maintenance hacks. Charleston's heat and humidity will destroy your property if you're not on top of it. AC units get overworked, mold can creep in, and don't get me started on palmetto bugs. You want to make sure that quarterly HVAC filters are being changed, dehumidifiers are on ground floors, and pest control is worked monthly. Annual roof and crawl space inspections are also pivotal. Preventative maintenance is not an expense, it is an investment. Money matters. Let's talk about numbers. Charleston's average rent for a 3-bedroom home is around $2,300 a month as of 2025. But don't forget about taxes, insurance, especially flood, and repairs. You want to make sure you're keeping cash flow in mind. So you're going to take your gross rent, less your mortgage, taxes, insurance, maintenance, and don't forget about vacancy, and that's your profit. Run the numbers like a business because it is. Pro landlord tips. Here's what seasoned Charleston landlords won't tell you, but I will. Always keep a rainy day fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses. Offer incentives to long-term residents, free carpet cleaning, minor upgrades, landscape refreshes. Use a property management software, especially if you own multiple properties. Building a team of HVAC techs, plumbers, handymen, real estate attorneys. You want to make sure you've got these people in your back pocket when you need them. And yes, you want to be treating them like family because they are worth their weight in gold. So being a landlord in Charleston isn't just about collecting checks. It's about managing people, property, and problems. But with the right mindset and systems, it can be one of the most rewarding things you do. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or drop them in the comments and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to be able to stay in contact and keep making videos that are applicable for you.